Hi guys, so today we are doing a skin care video. So I'll be sharing my routine, my daily routine, the products that I use, because people are just like, skin is popping, what does she use? So today I'm just gonna show you what I use, my daily routine, same as my night routine. The only thing is that I change the day cream to night cream, but this is my daily routine. I hope you guys enjoy it, so let us start. And ta-da! I'm done. It's that easy. And also it's winter, guys. Don't forget to moisturize those lips. And that is it. And that is all. Thank you for joining me until the next one. Bye.